Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Woodcraft CZ, aka Paul. Today we're going to go over how I make my best seller on Etsy. These three birds. We're going to take it from a slab of wood to the finished product. As you can see, they come in a set of three. And for me, they do the best sales on Etsy. They're some sort of thrush or small bird. Anyway, this video isn't going to have a lot of talking. It's just really about going through the process and seeing the steps I take from start to the finished product. I hope you enjoy it and find it interesting. And at the end of it, smash that like button and consider subscribing to my channel, as every subscription helps. So let's get to it. If you've made it this far, once again, please consider smashing the like button, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel. Also, if you like the birds in this video, I'll provide the link to my Etsy store where you can buy them in the description below. Until the next video, happy woodworking and take it easy.